In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a new website to Google Analytics. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to finish the setup with confidence. Start by opening your Google Analytics account and signing in with the Google account you want to use for this website. If you manage multiple organizations, double-check you're in the right account to keep your data organized. Once you're in, go to the admin area. You'll find the admin option at the bottom left, represented by a gear icon. This is where all the foundational settings live. Inside admin, click Create. You may see options like Create Property or Create Account. For our purpose today, we're creating a new property, which is the container that will hold your website's data. Select Property, then enter a name for it. Choose something clear and consistent, like your brand name and the environment, for example, Example Brand, Website. This makes it much easier to find later, especially if you manage multiple sites or apps. Click. Next, to move forward, you'll now see fields for business details and business objectives. For business details, pick the most accurate industry category and the size of your business. This helps analytics surface relevant insights. For business objectives, select what best matches your goals, such as increasing leads or analyzing user behavior. These choices fine-tune your default reports, and you can always adjust them later. Next, you'll be asked to select a platform. Choose Web, since we're setting up a website. Other options exist for apps, but we're focusing on a standard website setup here. You'll now paste your website URL. Make sure to include the correct protocol, usually HTTPS, and use the primary version of your site, like example.com, without extra paths. Keep it consistent with how your site is actually served to users. Enter a name for this data stream. This is separate from the property name and is used inside reports to identify the source of data. A simple, descriptive label such as main site or your domain name works well. When everything looks good, click Create and Continue. That finalizes the property and the web data stream. You'll see confirmation screens and options to add tags or integrate with your site's platform. Those implementation steps can be handled right after this, but your new website is now officially added in Google Analytics. That's it. You've created the property, provided the business context, selected web as the platform, added your site URL, named the stream, and completed the setup. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your website into Google Analytics.